I need some email signature tips. I need to know how to create a nice email signature. What are email signature best practices? What is the best way to market with my email signature? I need to know how to make a professional email signature. How can I make more sales with my email signature? Well, we're going to cover that and a whole lot more coming up. Hey everyone, my name is Rick Silva and I'm a referral coach. I help real estate professionals, mortgage lenders, insurance agents, and financial planners make more sales without cold calling or door knocking. I can show you how to build a referral-based practice. If you've ever said, I need more referrals, I hate chasing leads around, I hate cold calling, it drives me crazy when I get stood up for appointments. If you've ever said anything like that, I can help you. Feel free to email me anytime. Enjoy the email signature video. I want to talk to you today about email signature files. Should have it everywhere. Bottom line, if you just hear that, you can end the video now. Have them everywhere. But I want to go a little deeper about signature files. You've probably heard me say multiple times that I've had between 5,500 and 6,000 one-on-one coffee meetings. So whether that's with my networking practice, my networking groups, or helping my wife with her real estate business, when you know that many people and you're sitting and having coffee, a lot of times people are going to say, hey, would you happen to know a... So the way I do referrals is I'm on the spot right then. I open up my phone. I'm going to search you out if you happen to be the person I'm referring, and I'm going to look for an email that you've sent me, and I'm going to cut and paste your signature file in your email, and I'm going to text it to the person, or I'm going to email it to the person I'm sitting with right then. Signature files. I want to tell you how important they are to have them and what should be in them. This has happened to me hundreds of times where I go to introduce someone and I search and I search and I search and I can't find the person's contact information. I have 20 emails from them and it ends with just their name. There's no contact information. And I'll contact the person. They say, you know, it was in the original email, but in my replies, I don't have it. Every email that you send from your phone, if you use an iPad, from your iPad, from every laptop. I have 3 laptops. I have a desktop, I have an iPad, and I have a phone. I set up the signature files to go out when I create a new email, and it goes out in every single reply. People cannot refer you if they can't find your contact information. The easier you make it, the more referrals you are going to receive. So let's talk about what should be in the signature file. This isn't magic here, just what I need when I'm making a referral. Those of you that know me for a long time know I am not an artist. I am a professional networker. I help you make more money. I don't teach you how to do art. So let's see if we can draw a good box here. I don't know if that's good, but that's the box we're making. This is an email. There's your to line. There's your CC line. There's your BCC line. There's your subject line. And this is the body. So you have your email typed, blah, 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 blah. Down here is your signature file. This is what I recommend in your signature file. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit. In your signature file, strictly my opinion, have whatever you want, as long as there's something that goes out in every single email. Your name should be in your signature file. Your name, company name, and then phone number. I'll go over this again. Phone number, email, website. Every single email you send, every reply you ever make, this is the absolute minimum that your email should have. Your name, your company name, your phone number, your email address, and your website. So you can go into your phone settings. You can also go into, if you use Outlook or whatever you use, you go to signature. Now I know Outlook very well, and when you go in there and set up your signature files, you can make as many different ones as you want, and you can set a default. This signature goes out on every new email, and this signature goes out on every reply. I do the same signature file with every email I send. And also, you can use your signature file as marketing. So I'll have a video link down here, and it'll take them right to a video that I have on YouTube, and it'll say click here to learn more about XYZ. So I'm actually marketing with my signature file. So again, every email you send originates or replying to someone, so you're easily referable, has name, company name, phone number, email address, website, and then if you want to do a little, just something subtle, not 75 lines. I know a guy named Joe that has 75 different links. His signature file is a page and a half long. I'm barely even recommending marketing to people in your subject line, but if you're going to, just something nice and subtle like that. Okay. I hope that helps. Again, it's Rick Silva. I have a website, thescienceofbusinessnetworking.com. I'll say it until I'm retired. The most important thing you can have in all of your networking world is a good elevator speech. Go to thescienceofbusinessnetworking.com. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the training. Have a great day.